Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. I try to make it quick in this video because eventually just the primary count worked out, so everything was set in the previous videos. Yeah, we made a new low. That's a bit exciting. No reason to panic for anybody who watched these videos, because in the last video my commentary was literally that probably ETH could be one of the next ones to drop, because yesterday a lot of the altcoins were suffering already and ETH was looking like it was starting the drop. Yeah, I took now the orange wave count, which was the short-term bullish count of the chart, or the bits. I take this one off the chart as well. Yeah, because the idea was that of the low that was made yesterday, no, Wednesday's low, the move up was just corrective. Okay, so I warned you, and especially the channel members yesterday, that another drop is likely to happen. And when it then made a new daily low yesterday, a new intraday low, I also warned, new intraday low, this could be the move down in the third wave. That's normally then what you need to see. So taking the previous low out, and now it did flush through, this time actually stronger than Bitcoin. Yeah, Ethereum is now below the 50% retracement, whereas Bitcoin has been holding the 50% retracement and is still holding it. So all I asked for and have been asking for in the last few weeks is that Ethereum now heads to round about the 1660 level. Yeah, it could also go a little lower, but 1660 is sort of what I would like to see. That works quite well from, you know, looking at the proportions on the chart. In this wave count, I am looking at this at the moment. I just need to make sure I'm not getting confused here. As the wave 2, a larger wave 2, it still has lots of space, so it could theoretically go down all the way to 1530. Without getting into trouble here in this scenario. So that's also a support level I measure my, if I buy and try carefully to scale in here, this is the level I measure my risk against. Okay, so I really literally just add some tiny bits and pieces here and there, keeping a lot of cash for a reversal confirmation. That might never come, that reversal, okay, and that's why I keep positions really small on the way down. But I know that crypto always turns around at an instant, and it also turns around always a little bit early, okay? Especially, not always, but often, especially then when the market has a day like that. It smells a little bit like the day when FTX collapsed. That was also a pretty good one. That was even more dramatic here in November, okay? But looking at it, zooming out, I mean, not much happened, right? This stuff happens all the time in crypto. I mean, look at this. It looks very similar to what happened on the 10th of March at the moment. And I said it yesterday. I know a lot of people are panicking out there. There's no reason to panic. I mean, essentially, yeah, nobody knows if support is going to hold. Yeah, and that's only professional and honest to say that. But we are in an uptrend. And without this drop, a drop like today, where people sell the fear, we will not be able to wrap up this correction. And because we haven't had that, Ethereum and also Bitcoin have been moving sideways for so long, and now we finally get it, and let's see if we can finally wrap it up. The good news is we broke finally through the 50% retracement. Ethereum was very stubborn, didn't want to break it. Now it finally broke it, and ideally we're now heading down lower. So the idea is that we are currently possibly wrapping up this third wave, then get a fourth and a fifth. Of 3, then there should be another 4 and 5. What I don't know and what I cannot say for sure is, okay, you know, maybe this is already circle 3 and we're now getting into 4. But either way, the commentary is, I'm extremely careful on the way down. There is no confirmation the downtrend is over, and I assume it will go lower until we get a 5-wave move to the upside, which would be the first impulse. That can be quite strong, that first impulse. Like here, you know, when we when we had a significant rally out of the 10th of March low. That's why I like to scale into support areas, but only small, because by the time I make a video here, and or let subscribers know, or members, the price can already have moved like 10%, 15%. Okay, so just be aware that's just a game in the crypto market. Okay. Alright, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.